Hi, this is Wiz, welcome to my channel and welcome to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. First of all, I want to thank Samsung Switzerland for sending me this device to test it. Thank you very much, that's very cool of you, Samsung Switzerland. The purpose of this video is not really to go into deep specs. You can find that all over YouTube. What I really want is to tell you what are the differences between the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus and which one is the best suitable according to your needs. Still, I'm gonna go into a little bit of specifications. First of all, the design. They're both similar. The difference are in size, of course. The Note 10 Plus is the biggest Samsung Note yet, while this is a more compact version. Specifically, the Note 10 has a 6.3 inches display as opposed to 6.8 on the Note 10 Plus. All the buttons are on one side. We have here the volume rocker, the on and off button, which is also the Bixby button. And the good news is that it can be remapped to whatever you want. There is nothing on the other side, very clean design. If we look at the top, we have here another difference between the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. On the Note 10 you have a double SIM tray, and on the Note 10 Plus you also have the SD card tray. Looking at the bottom, the major difference between the Note 9 and the Note 10 is that the 3.5 jack has gone. Other than that, we find the USB-C port, the speaker, and the most important feature on all Note phones, the S Pen. If we go now a little bit more specifically on the differences between the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, the Note 10 Plus has a Quad HD AMOLED display, whether the Note 10 has a Full HD AMOLED display. So the Note 10 Plus has more PPI, but you don't really see the difference in real usage. Looking now at the back of the phone, I really like this Aura Glow finishing. Talking about the cameras, both phones has the same layout. You'll find a triple camera layout on both phones. You get a 16 megapixel ultra-wide lens, you get a 12 megapixel wide-angle lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. The Note 10 Plus has an extra sensor that helps create portrait mode depth effects. Other difference between the two phones is the RAM. The Note 10 Plus has 12 GB of RAM, while the Note 10 has only 8 GB of RAM. So in theory, it means that you'll better be able to multitask and run apps in the background with the Note 10 Plus. Another difference is the storage. The Note 10 carries 256 GB, while the Note 10 Plus can go up to 512 GB. So more storage in the Note 10 Plus, especially with the addition of the SD card that you don't find in the Note 10. And also keep in mind that if you want a 5G variant, you will have to choose the Note 10 Plus, which is the only one available with the 5G option. And now we get to the battery life. The Note 10 has a 3500 milliamperes, while the Note 10 Plus has a 4300 milliamperes, which I believe is the biggest battery on the Note device. This one is the Note 10. I'm using this device since 10 days now, and I have to say that I personally find the battery to be a little bit weak according to my usage. I watch videos on YouTube, I'm active on social media, especially Instagram, I send emails, I make phone calls, and I have to say that most of the time when it's like 7 p.m. I get around 10% of battery left. So should I buy a Note? Personally, according to my usage, it will be the Note 10 Plus. But if you have a moderate usage, or if you have less usage than what I just described, the Note 10 is perfect for you and the battery is quite enough. And of course, keep in mind that they both have the S Pen with the exact same feature. The one I like the most is being able to quickly write a note. Let's say that you get a phone call, you quickly have to write some things. Instead of taking a piece of paper and find a pen, you just go and write on the screen. That's very cool, and you can save the note or pin it to the home screen so you constantly have the reminder or the note you just wrote. That's very cool. So in conclusion, which Note should you buy? I would like to say that it all depends on you. If you want the top of the food chain, then you will go with the Note Plus. The Note Plus is bigger, has a better battery, has a better screen resolution, has a SD card support and a few more features. If you don't like big phones but you still want to have the Note experience, then the Note 10 is the perfect phone for you. It packs almost all the most important features that every Galaxy Note should have, but in a very small and compact form. So both are excellent devices. It all depends on the usage you make of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment which Galaxy Note would you choose. Would it be the regular Note 10 or the top of the spec Note 10 Plus? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!